Hi loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Memory Keeping Mondays video. In this video, I'm going to be using only sticker books from the Happy Planner. So I'm using 2 sticker books. I will link both of them down below in the description box. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I am kind of gathering a few stickers here and there, but mainly throughout decorating the spread, I'm just going to be going back and forth between the 2 sticker books. I don't know, I didn't really have anything in mind for this spread, so I'm just kind of going with the flow, I guess you would say. And yeah, this week was really fun and very productive and busy. I'm not sure what I exactly did, but I know I was really busy on one of the dates. I forget which one, but I know I filmed videos. I worked on the shop as well, my sticker shop. If you guys didn't know, I have a sticker shop. I will link it down below if you're interested. And I make stickers for the classic Happy Planner and Erin Condren, and also I have dainty stickers that you can use for other planners. So if you have like a personal planner or a pocket size or even the mini Happy Planners, you can totally use my stickers because they're very dainty. But of course, the full box designs are meant for certain planners, if you know what I mean. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. I love making stickers. So yeah, pretty much did that this week. It was a very productive week. I got a lot of things done. And also, you know, there's days where I had lots of time for Liam, which is my favorite because I just love cuddling and playing with him, and I love feeding him different types of food. So that's kind of our thing right now. We love to eat. But yeah, it's just a good productive week. I do want to let you guys know I am actually creating some products. If you guys have been following me for a while, I've mentioned it a few times on Instagram that one of my dreams is to make stationery products. So I was doing some I guess surveys on Instagram, like asking you guys questions, what you guys want to see, if you guys like certain products and things like that. So I've taken a lot of that into consideration, and this past few weeks I have been creating products. We're going to be going in production really soon, so I'm really excited. If you guys have any guesses on what the products will be, let me know down below. I'm thinking notebooks, pens, pencil cases, maybe even planners. Who knows? But really expect something really cute and kind of, I guess, luxurious, because I really want it to feel like, you know, worth it. The money is worth it. You know what I mean? Also, of course, it's something that I will definitely use. So I'm just really excited for you guys to see what I'm creating. But yeah, that's really what I've been working on. If I'm not doing videos, if I'm not working on a shop, I'm working on new products. And yeah, my hand's pretty full right now, but it's all have been really fun. Like it's been a long process, but it's fun, if that makes sense. I'm like, my mind is jumbled right now. As you can see, I can't even talk. But yeah, so I do want to mention this particular weekend that you're seeing right now, Saturday and Sunday, was so much fun. Let me talk about it, I guess. So Saturday, we actually had kind of like a family day. We went out to eat for lunch at the sushi lover place, where I ate out with my sister and the kids when they were in town. And that was Tom's first time going there, and loved it, you guys. Seriously, unlimited sushi and hibachi and all those kind of good food. It's just like amazing. I love that place. It's Sushi Lover in Green Bay if you're interested. So we ate there for lunch, and then we just went to the mall afterwards and shopped a lot. Like, I got some really good stuff. I'm really excited. I did do a haul recently on my a few weeks ago, I think last week maybe, I'm not sure, but I'll link it below. I did a haul on a lot of the things that I bought that day, but really excited. And then on Sunday we actually went to Menominee. My parents visited them for the day, so that was really fun. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. Lots of things are happening right now. I can't wait for you guys to see the next week's spread. It's gonna be really cute, especially not next week, but the week after that, whatever, Easter. I have something fun in mind for Easter. I want to use like lots of pastels and stuff for that spread. But yeah, I'm really excited for the next few weeks. But that's pretty much it. This is what my spread looks like. I literally went for the florals. I saw the floral page and I'm like, I'm gonna use it. It's so cute. And yeah, this is it right here, all filled out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know what kind of products you think I'm gonna be coming out with in the comments below. I really want to hear what you guys think, or if you have any ideas like what you want to see, let me know too. All right, bye guys, I love you.